Are you running TikTok ads but not sure of what's making you money? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track conversion in TikTok ads so you know what's working and what's wasting your budget. Let's get started.
To track conversion on TikTok ads, I'm going to be showing you that using this website. It's a full-fledged e-commerce website. I'm going to show you that. So we want to know how to track purchase conversion on this website. So the first thing I want to show you is to do a quick edit on this product. Then I'll click on this quick edit and change this product price to £1. Once I change it to £1, I will update this, right? So once I change it to £1, I will update this. Then I'll go to my WooCommerce settings again. I'll go to WooCommerce settings again. Once I go to WooCommerce settings again, I want to edit the shipping. I'll go to shipping, right? Once I go to shipping, I want to remove shipping so that I can buy this product. So what I'll do is to edit this. I will edit this and change the price. I'll change the price to 50 cents. So then go back to products. Go back to all products. Go back to that product. Then I'll come to view this product that will change to £1. View this product that I changed to £1. Then I'll click on add to cart. Once I click on add to cart, right, I'll click on view cart. Once you click on view cart, then you come to proceed to checkout. Come to proceed to checkout. Then you add these are the steps that people will go through on this website. So if you look at this URL here now, if you look at this URL here, you see that we are in the checkout page, right? But this does not mean that somebody on this website has completed purchase. So, and what we want to track on this website is when people complete purchase on this website. That is what I want to show you how to track. So how you are going to set up purchase conversion tracking on TikTok ads. So but before you do that, you need to set up your pixel on your website. I already have a video on how to set up pixel on a website, and I'm going to link the video to this video. I'm going to link it up here. Just check it up there. You are going to see. So once I come to this place, the customer will they will add their name, and we can now see that our total fee is what? Is £1. Then I will pay through Stripe. So let's pay through Stripe. You will see that this checkout page now will change to order received. So let's do that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to pay. So once I pay, I'll click on pay via Stripe. So once you click on pay via Stripe, I'm going to show you the URL you will track. This is the URL we will track as conversion. This is the URL we will track as conversion. So can you see now that this URL has changed? Thank you, your order has been received. So you will now see that this URL has changed. So you see there's checkout order received. Before, the URL we have was checkout, but now we now have order received, and that is when somebody has made payment, purchased a product. You can view order message and can you see all these things. So the next thing you need to do is to look for, so you just copy this URL. This is the URL you want to track. Checkout order received. So but you won't track this number 5696. You won't track it because it is unique to this order. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this now. Please make sure you set up TikTok pixel on this website before you do this. So I'm going to paste this here, this order received. This is what we want to track. So then you go to your TikTok account now. This is our TikTok ads manager. From TikTok ads manager, go to tools. From tools, go to events. Once you go to event, it will open up a new page here for you. It will open up a new page for you. So and that is the data source page. So if you see now, you see the pixel on this website. If I use the TikTok pixel helper, the pixel on this website will be showing me, you can see pixel on this website before. So it's showing me the name of this pixel. So I already have pixel on this website. The prerequisite to doing what I'm showing you in this video is to set up TikTok pixel on your website. So I already have TikTok pixel on that website. So all I'm going to do is to click on view all data sets. I'll click on view all data sets for my pixel because that is the pixel. This pixel shop forever is the pixel that is on this website for TikTok. So what I'll do, I'll come back to this place now. So I'll come back to this place. I'm trying to locate that page. So you come back to TikTok, then I'll click on, this is my data set, right? Then I'll click on this data set. Once you click on this data set, give it a moment for it to come up. You're going to give it a moment for it to come up now. So this is the page we are going to. If once your pixels start working, you see the status here. The status will say ready for campaign. So this is the overview of your pixel that you set up, right? So what you need to do is to come to this place, right? You see overview, test event, you see diagnostic, change log and settings. So you click on settings. Once you click on settings, scroll down, right? Scroll down, you see advanced matching, you turn on advanced matching, then you scroll down to this place where we have event builder setup. Can you see? Create an event with our self-service platform to simplify setup. Technical support isn't required, but you must be able to install base code, which we've done. So what I will do next is to just click on setup event. Once I click on setup event, I'm going to copy the URL of my website. This is the URL of your website here. This is the URL of this website. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'll click on launch builder. I'm going to click on launch builder. So once you click on launch builder, it's going to take you to this page, and this will come up where we have event builder. So you have event on page and all events. Then you select all events. So I'm going to delete this, right? Then I'll come to this all events. Then you select add events. Since we are tracking, what I said is that we are tracking this checkout, this website URL and checkout order received. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come back to this place and click on URL visit. Track when a URL with specific keyword is visited. For example, report a view content event when someone visits a URL that contain product as /product as keyword. Then I'll select next. Once I select next, I'm going to click on set up event, then you select the event type. You come to complete payment. Can you see? You see on complete payment, you see measure when a visitor makes a payment. TikTok recommends this when placing an order, and making a payment at the same. Can you see? TikTok recommends this when placing an order and making a payment at the same. So but if you come to this place, if you come to place order, you see the communication is different. TikTok recommend this when placing an order and making a payment are not the same, but for us it is the same. So we are going to use complete payment, which is purchase. Then I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to copy this space of the URL that I want to track. You are not going to copy this number. That, like I said, that number is unique to this order, but you want to track purchase anytime people come on this website to make purchase. For every purchase that is happening on this website, you want to track the purchase. So you will ignore this unique number, because at any time anybody make a purchase on this website, they are going to get a unique number. So I'm going to copy this. Once I copy this, I'll come here and paste it here. So this is the part of this what we want to track. Check out order received. So you are going to see set up order value or product price or country currency to measure and optimize your return on ad spend. This selection is optional, so you just ignore this. So you can come to, let's say we so choose value on page. I'm not choosing any value, so do not include value GBP, because my website is same. So I'm going to paste this here. Can you see check out order received? Then what I'll do next is to go to all this. So you select GBP and leave all this. Just ignore all this. This one is telling key the current URL page doesn't match the keyword trigger you have set. Navigate to the it just want me to have this. It just want this complete payment, this my URL to have complete payment, and that is not how my website URL is structured. So I just want to go through how my website. So ignore this. It doesn't mean your conversion tracking will not work. Then I will select content type. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, my event is set up. Can you see my event is set up? Then I'll just click on finish setup. Once I click on finish setup, I'll click on exit now. Once I click on exit now, if I come back to this place, if you come back to your pixel and refresh your page and you come back to overview, you will see it here. So let's refresh our event manager. Refresh our event manager, you will see the conversion tracking we just set up. So let me scroll down now. So can you see complete payment here now? Can you see that it is active? It is the complete payment we just set up. It is active. So that's how you can set up conversion tracking in TikTok Pixel, using TikTok Pixel in TikTok ads. So if you look at this page again, it's still telling us measure when a visitor makes payment. TikTok recommend this when placing an order and making a payment are the same. When people, because in this place now, if you come to this place, you see we placed an order and we also made a payment. It is the same thing. We did. You won't use place an order. If you use place an order, it doesn't mean it means they are just placing order. The system will not capture it that people are making payment, and you will not be able to use that data for remarketing and all those things. If you click on view data here, you start seeing data when your data is populated. You see data source when people start making payments, and when people start buying your product, the data here will start to populate. So that's how. So if you want to do another one, you can go to settings again. Maybe you want to do leads, you come to set up events. Once you come to set up events, you place this website URL. If place your website URL here, come back to this place and come to launch event builder. Once you come to launch event builder, you see this, then you go to all event again. You can click on add event. If you want to track specific button, let's say you want to track specific button, can you see, if you want to track all these specific button, you can click on this button you want to track, this shop now, and track the button. It's going to show you how all the buttons that is, can you see all the different, all you just need to do is to select this button. If you select this button, can you see button with text shop now, then you are going to click on next, then you select the event type, if that means people, if it means anything to your business. So once you can come back to this, and let's say URL visit again, we want to track when people add product to cart. If you come to this place and you select add to cart, I'll come back to this place now and add another product to cart. I want to track when people add product to cart. I'll just come to this place and select a product. Once I select the product, I'll click on add to cart. You see that the URL will change. Can you see add to cart? So it's telling me products. But when we were here, can we confirm when we were not there? When we haven't add the product to cart, it's still product, it's still the same thing. So you just have to be sure of this URL convention. So let's say we add product to cart now, the URL is not changing. So we click on view cart. If you click on view cart, so can you see now that this is cart? It is until you click on view cart that it will show you. So I'll just copy this, right? I'll copy this cart here, then come to this place and put cart here. That is add to cart. For your website, that is add to cart. So you just need to understand the URL structure of your website to set up all this conversion tracking. The next thing you need to do is to come to this place. For adding product to cart, it doesn't have any value, there's no value attached to it. All you just need to do, you can remove this first URL convention and leave cart, or just leave it the way it is, and the next thing you need to do is to just click on confirm. We'll be able to set off add to cart for conversion tracking. So this now, if you go back to your overview here, you will see add to cart. If you want to view, if you want to set up another one, you see all the options there. Add to cart, when people complete payment, you be able to set up all those conversion tracking one by one. Set up add to cart, set up complete payment. Let's come back to, so I want to show you the add to cart we just set up. If you come to this place, can you see add to cart now? No recent activity. That is the reason why it's not. Can you see event code add to cart? If you come to event code you use to set up with custom, this code, the code you use to set up event with pixel custom mode or event API. So this is add to cart we just set up. So once somebody fire this now, it will work. The next thing you need to do, if you want to set up another one, is to go back to settings again, come to this place and select set up event. If you click on set up event, you copy your website URL. Let's say we want to copy our website URL. Copy your website URL. I'm going to clean up the cart, right? Then I'll say launch event builder again. Launch event builder again. Then event tracking will pop up. So let's see our event builder will pop up. Can you see the event builder? We'll come to all events. Can you see add to cart that we just set up, complete payment that we set up earlier. You click on add event again, click on URL visit, and you click on next. So you can click see the event type, add payment info. If you want to track people, add payment info. When people add to wish list, you see it there. If you want to set it up, it means when a visitor add an item to their wish list, you see complete registration. If you are setting up, if you are setting a lead generation campaign, you see contacts, you see download. If you want to track download on your website, it means maybe you have a PDF form or an ebook you are giving out and you want people to download it. You can track that download, and immediately when people download it, it will take them to a URL, like a thank you page URL, which means they've downloaded it. You can also track initiate checkout. So if I come to this place now, when a visitor proceed to checkout, this initiate checkout now, this is it here. Can you see proceed to checkout? If I click on proceed to checkout now, can you see checkout? It means somebody has initiated checkout. I will just copy this checkout page here. I'll copy this checkout URL here. If I copy this checkout URL, I'm going to come here and say this is initiate checkout. I'll paste it here, then select this and click on confirm again, and click on confirm, then we set finish setup, and that's all.
Just like that, you are all set to track all your TikTok ads conversion. Now it's your turn to set up those events and optimize your ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.